Welcome to today's Centennials classes. Today we are going to solve two questions in rational numbers. The first one is 7 upon 3 plus minus 6 upon 11 plus minus 8 upon 21 plus 5 by 22. We have to add. For this case, first of all, we have to find out the LCM, means least common multiple of denominator. So let us first find the LCM. Denominator is 7, 11, 21 and 22. And here the 7 will go in 7 one time, and 11 we can write down directly down, and in 21 it will go in 3 times, and in 22 we can write down that 22 directly down as it will not go. Now let us consider 11. Then 1 we are writing down, and in the 11 it will go in 1 time, and 3 we are writing down, and in 22 it will go in 2 times. So the LCM is 7 into 11 into 1. There is no need to take that. Then also you can consider, and 3 into 2. So by multiplying all these things, then we will get 462. It means 462 is the LCM of the denominator. Now let us come to the question. I am rewriting the question here. 3 by 7 plus we are having minus 6 divided by 11 plus minus 8 divided by 21, then plus 5 divided by 22 equal to, we have to make all denominator as the LCM, that is 462. So in first case, I am writing the denominator as 462. I am writing the denominator as 462. And in 462 case, it is 3 by 7. It means as denominator 7 is already there. In 462, we are having 11 into 3 into 2 is there. And here in numerator 1, 3 is already there. So it will come as 3 into, except 7, whichever is there in LCM that you have to take that numbers and then multiply. So 7 we are not taking, then 11 is there, so we are taking 11. Then we are having 1 is no need to consider because multiplication will give the same answer only. So 3 is there that you have to consider. Then another 2 is there. So this first term will be liking this. Then minus 6 divided by, instead of 11 I am writing 462. So see, the 11 is already here, so I am not taking. Is 7 is there? No, 7 is not there. So 7 I am writing here, and 3 and 2 is also not there. So I am writing 3 and 2 also. I am multiplying with 3 and 2 also. Okay. Now I am considering the next term, that is minus 8 divided by, it is 21. Instead of 21, I am writing 462. So for making it 21, 7 into 3 is 21. So we should not take 7 and 3. We will take 11 as well as 2 only in this case. And next term is, we are having 5 upon 22. Instead of 22, we will write 462. What will make 22? 11 into 2 is 22. So here in LCM factors 11 as well as 2 we will not consider. 7 and 3 we have to take. So we will multiply it with this with 7 and 3. Then we will get this as, when you multiply 3 into 11 into 3 into 2, then we will get 198 divided by 462. Then we will get minus 252. You will get minus 252 upon 462, and then you are going to get minus 176 divided by 462 you will get, plus then you will get 105 divided by 462. Okay. So this will be equal to 462. You can take it as a common denominator. 462. Then 198 minus 252 minus 176 plus 108 it will come. So this will be equal to minus 125 divided by 462. So this is the answer. In second question, we have to find minus 2 upon 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 2. And let us write this as minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. This we can write it as minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, and last term I am taking here minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. This will be equal to, here I am again making and rewriting here 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 and writing plus here and taking 3 by 5 as positive, and 1 by 6 is positive, but that I am making it as negative. So it will not bring any disturbance to this expression. The expression will be same as such. And I am doing this to find or take a common factor from this first two terms of the expression. So here I am getting a common factor as 3 by 4. See, in first term here 3 by 4 is there, but here it is minus 3 by 4. In order to take a common factor, I am making this minus 3 by 4 into plus 3 by 4 by making this plus 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 6. So I am taking out this plus 3 by 4 outside, and inside I will get in first term it is remaining only 2 by 3, and in second term it is remaining minus 1 by 6, and last term is 5 by 2 is also there, and 3 by 5 is there. And when we'll make this minus, then common factor, otherwise 3 and 6, the LCM is 6 only, and here it will come minus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2 will become this equation and this expression. Then this will be 3 by 5 into minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 1, it will become minus 5 by 6, and then plus 5 by 2 is there, and this 3 will go in 6 2 times, and 5 will go in 5 1 time. So this will become as minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. When add this, the common factor 2 we can take, and here it will come minus 1 plus 5. So this is equal to minus 1 plus 5 is 4 by 2. So this answer is 2. Thank you. Hope you could understand it very well. Please like and share the video with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for attending the class.